Today we'll be working on Jason. Jason's going to tell us a little about, how he's feeling today.
Yeah, I mean, I'm feeling okay. Maybe my knees. Okay, yeah. Last time, when I warm up, I still feel something on my knee. So.
Okay, so a little knee issues today.
There's still some knee issues there. So let's see if you can do your match.
Yeah, let's check it out. Let's check out your knees. Okay, so have a seat right here. Okay. I'm going to check you out from head to toe. We'll fix what's broken. Okay. Good. Okay, let's go take your glasses off. Right, push up to this guy, push up, good, nice, strong, chin down, chin down, chin down. Remember how it was when you first started? Mm-hmm. Super weak, not super strong. Okay, let's go look at your knees now. Go lay on your backside, face up. Oops, all right, right knee, left knee, both knees?
Left knee.
Left knee. All right, let's go and bring your, good. Pull your knee to your chest, Jason, knee to your chest and pull. Other side, up and pull. Plenty strong. Okay, good. So take this hand here and touch right there, please. Yeah. Good. Up, bend, and pull. Pull. Good. Thank you. Good. Down. Good. Nice little rub here. Tender. Yes. Oh. Up and pull. Much better. Good. Excellent. Okay, go kick up to this guy. Kick up. No, hand here. Kick up. Here. Flat hand. Kick up. Kick. No. Kick up. Much better. Good. Down. Good stuff, Jason. Good stuff. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Alright. Kick up here, kick up. Still off. Kick up again here, kick up. Good. Okay. Touch right there, please. Good. Kick up here, kick up. Kick up again, kick up. That's it. Ooh. Pretty, no. Good. Kick up here, kick up. Much better. Good stuff. Good, up. And kick up. Good. Alright, I'm going to have to roll to your side. This side, face toward me, please. Okay. Bend this leg here. Bend. Good. Squeeze gently here. Big breath in. All the way out. Good. Thank you. Beautiful. A little more here. Let it go. Good. Oh. Excellent. Good. Stay with it, please. Stay there. Oh. Lift your leg up. Go push up to this guy. Push up. Try again. Push up. Good. Down. Up. Straight. Push up. Roll towards me just a little bit. Good. Okay. Down here. Then the bottom leg. Good. Lift this leg up. Push up. Here. Push up. Try again. Push up. Good. Down. Up. Push up. Try again. Push up. Push up again. Good. Down. Up again. Up. Push up. Beautiful. Good. All right. Sit up. 1, 2, 3. Stay right there. Fold your hands behind your neck. Interlock your fingers. Interlock your fingers there. Good. Chin down. Good. Chin down to your chest. Relax right there. Deep breath in. Quick breath out. Here we go. Back. Good. A little more. Head back. Thank you. Good. Beautiful, Jason. Beautiful. Good. Forward. Butt up, butt up, butt up, butt up, butt up. Good. Move your left, drop your shoulder down, nice big smile, let it go. One more. Good, thank you. Good. Other side. Good. 1, 2, and 3, let's go. Good. Thank you. Beautiful. Good. Good. Up. Pull, pull. Much better. Good. Kick up, kick up, kick up. Better. Good. Turn in. Kick up. Good. Turn the outside. Kick up. Good. Much better. Down. Point down. Pull your foot to button pull. Foot to button pull. Good. Beautiful. Good. Back down. This leg here. Push to the outside. Push out. Push out. Push out. Push out. Push out, push out, good. Turn the foot in, push up and out, please. Up and out, up and out, up and out. Okay, up and out, please. Up and out, up and out. Beautiful, good. Lift this foot up, hold it up here, hold it up, hold it. Good. Up and out, hold it. Good. Push to the right, push right.
Push right.
Yep. There it is. Okay, push left. Good. Push down, down and out.
Down and out.
Down and out, yep. Down and in.
Down.
Good. Bend the knee. Point the foot down. Pull your foot to your butt, please. Foot to your butt and pull. Good. Drop it down. Good. Left leg push out, please. Left leg push out. Good. Left leg push out. Push. Good. Lift this ankle or the foot up. Lift it up. Hold it up. Hold it up. Oh. Crazy, right?
Yeah.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Good. Good. Up. Hold it. Good. Why don't you walk around and see how the ankle feels. Okay.
Let me try to move that.
Sure.
That,
Yeah, yeah.
That bothers me.
Yep.
This. Way better than Tuesday. For
Good,
sure.
good,
For sure.
good.
Way better. Okay.
Good?
Good.
Okay.
Yeah, good.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Love it. Good job, Jason.
Oh.